But what really drew me to this glue, why I decided to try it, is the fact that it is waterproof. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Jordan. Welcome. I'm so glad to have you guys here. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for being here today with me and joining me for today's video. Today I decided to do a review on the Kiss Almighty Lace Bonding Glue featuring Yelova here. So I do have a detailed tutorial and install on this wig. In case you did not see that video or you might be interested in checking that video out, I will definitely link it in the eye above, so you can go ahead and do so after you've watched this video, and I will also leave a link down in my description bar for you to check it out. So I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the bonding glue before we got into the actual video, which is a very short video. It's not going to take too long, and just give you guys some information that I may have not mentioned in the video. So let's go. Okay, so Kiss has been around for a while now. I'm not sure how long because I am new to Kiss. I was literally on Amazon one day ordering a bunch of stuff, and I came across, I wanted to try something new. I know everyone uses Ghost Bond or Almighty Bond, and I wanted to try something different. So I came across the Kiss Almighty Bonding Glue, and I saw that they have rebranded from the package that they had previously. I'm not sure what that package was, but I believe it would be that a small bottle they had before, and they changed it to this. Now what drew me to this is because this has two applicators. So it has the precision tip, which is the more precise pointy tip for you to apply the lace glue, and then they have the silicone tip, which is great for spreading the glue, so you won't need to use like the tail of your rat tail comb or your edge brush. It's just more easier to use, easier to apply. But what really drew me to this glue, why I decided to try it, is the fact that it is waterproof. Now the first time that I wore this, I used this glue, I did my ombre lace wig install by AFSISTER, and let me tell you, even though in that tutorial the glue did not dry, let me tell you this, my wig did not move. To get that wig off, I had to use alcohol to take it off. Water would not take it off, and that's when I decided that, okay, this glue, it's working for me. All right, so on the back it says the direction. You can use either one, the silicone tip to evenly spread the Kiss Almighty Bond on your hairline, or two, you can use the precision end to touch up your lifting lace. So the silicone tip is really to apply and spread the glue along your hairline, and the precision tip is for whenever you apply your lace and you have any lifting, you go in and you just touch up. Everyone has their own practice. I just do my own thing, and you can too. So yeah, that's basically it. We're gonna jump into me applying my wig and doing this quick little style. is it for today's video. Thank you so very much for staying with me. Thank you for being here until the very end. If you are here until the end, you are a true OG. If you have not yet subscribed, if you want to, go ahead, please feel free to subscribe. If not, I guess I'll catch you another time. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. What are the lace glue that you currently use or you have used before to apply your lace frontal or closure wigs, and what do you think? You know, do you like them? Do you not like them? Have you ever tried the Kiss Almighty bonding glue before? I would love to hear from you guys down in the comment section. As always guys, please stay safe and I will catch you next time. Take care.